Okay, me and the dogs and my daughter are enjoying a stroll on this beautiful 55-degree weather day. We are walking up a very long hill called Snake Hill. The dogs are in their glory, sniffing around. My daughter just got back from work, but she didn't want to be in the house because it is so nice out. And it's February, what, 23rd?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Antonia, turn around and say hi.
Hello.
Okay. Once I get home, I'll do a video on the soft paw dog balm I made. Okay, we are going to take the overlook path to the view of the Hudson Valley. Okay, here we go. Oh, no mud. Okay. Being in the woods is by far the best thing to do, at least in my life. I literally could build a log cabin and live on a mountain with nothing around me but woods and bear. Oops. And we're almost to the top. All right. Oh, this isn't the greatest. Okay. Oh, wow. This isn't the one, right? No.
No, it's not.
Okay. Well,
Not Lexi.
we're kind of high up. Not really. I am so used to being, well, actually, Lucy, stop. The mountain over there, you see, is a mountain I used to climb every single weekend. I must have climbed that mountain about 100 times. And then the one across the way, I climbed one time. And then there's a mountain over there I probably did about 25 times. Oh, and my daughter left me. Okay. Come on. Come on, Lou. Lucy. Oh. Come on, Lucy. Come on. I'm just fighting a cold, too. But you know what? The fresh air is wonderful. I probably will go home and not be able to breathe and cough my brains out, but guess what? I would do this again and again and again. Come on, Lucy. Come on. My daughter is going. Okay. Where'd she go? Jump over the log, jump. Okay, I think I'm coming to the spot that it's more clear. You can kind of see a little bit better. It's not the greatest view. It's just of the town I live in. Come on. We're almost there. It's so peaceful. There's no way that you can be in a bad mood while you are hiking in the woods. It's impossible. So, this is why I do it all the time. Working in school with kindergarten kids can be very stressful and mentally and physically exhausting, but Wow, look at that shadow. Holy crap. I seriously am not that big. The shadow is making me huge. Anyway. Oh, there's my dog. I see him. I see her. This is a very good stress reliever. It's good exercise. It's good for your mind, your body, and your soul. Plus the dogs, this is what they live for. Come on, Luce. They live for this. They just want to sniff and climb. My Lucy's been hiking with me since she's born. Okay. All right, this is the view. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Hudson Valley. Hudson Valley, New York. On this February 23rd, 55 plus degrees today. The beautiful mountains over there. The Hudson Valley has the most beautiful mountains. Okay. And the girls are happy. And I'm getting tangled up. Alright, goodbye for now. Hi everyone, I am back from my hike with my doggies. And I just wanted to quickly show you what I made this morning. It is a dog, it's for paws for your dog. It's called Soft Paws. I named it Soft Paws. I found a DIY on Pinterest. This is all natural. It is made with beeswax, shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, and what was the last one? Vitamin E oil. And what you do with this is, in the winter months, it's really hard on your dog's paws, and also in the summer, the hot pavement does damage to your dog's paws. And what you do is you rub this like you would, you know, your own hands with lotion. Take this. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's really nice. And you rub it on their paws. And it softens, it dries in about, I would say, a minute. And I can't get this on. And it protects your dog's paws in the winter and the summer. Okay, and I finished some gnomes. Not finished, I'm sorry. I'm in the process of making more gnomes, okay? I made another one today. I just have to add arms on her. And each one is going to be holding something. I just don't know what they're going to be holding. So there's one right there. And then the ones in the back were the ones from yesterday with Caroline. Can't really see. Sorry. There's another one back there. So anyway. Alright. Have a wonderful Sunday night. Bye-bye for now.